In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store integrated with YouTube in just about 5 minutes. First off, navigate to Shopify's main page. It's easy to find, just type Shopify into your favorite search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser. Once you're there, you'll spot the login button without much trouble. Click on that. And let's get moving on setting up the gateway to your new online store. Next, you're greeted with a prompt to enter your email address. It's vital to use an email that you have access to and check regularly because this will be the primary means Shopify uses to communicate with you about your account and store updates. After you've smoothly typed in your email, it's time to key in your password. Make sure it's something secure yet memorable. You don't want anyone snooping around your store's backstage after all. Once you're logged in, your digital shop's backend opens up. Start by clicking on Settings. This section is crucial because it allows you to configure your store's essentials, including payment methods, shipping rates, and taxes. Essentially, the backbone of your e-commerce platform. Your journey continues as you click on Apps. This gem of a section is where Shopify becomes truly versatile. By accessing apps, you empower your store with additional functionality beyond the out-of-the-box features Shopify offers. It's how you'll make your store uniquely yours. Proceed by selecting all recommended apps. This brings you to a curated selection of applications specifically recommended for your store based on Shopify's algorithm. It's a good starting point to discover what apps might be useful for your particular business. Now, for the main event, click on the Shopify App Store to dive into the expansive world of Shopify apps. It's like an ocean of possibilities, each app offering new features and ways to enhance your store. Here, your mission is to find the perfect companion for your store that integrates with YouTube. To do so, simply search for YouTube in the Shopify App Store's search bar. After you've hit enter, look out for the Google and YouTube app amongst the search results. This particular app is quite a catch, as it seamlessly integrates Google services, including YouTube, with your Shopify store, opening up a whole new realm of marketing and content creation opportunities. Installing this app is like unlocking a treasure chest for your business. Click on Install for the Google and YouTube app. You're one step closer to enriching your store with YouTube's vast capabilities. Following installation, the final act is to install app via Shopify, which effectively integrates the app with your store. Last but certainly not least, connect your Google account by clicking on the designated link. This step is what bridges your Shopify store with YouTube, leading to a harmonious integration where the strengths of both platforms benefit your business. By now, you have successfully enabled a magnificent tool for your Shopify store that brings YouTube's power to your fingertips. Whether it's showcasing your products through engaging videos, reaching out to a wider audience, or running ads on YouTube, the possibilities are vast. Remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Play around with the app, explore its features, and don't hesitate to experiment with different types of video content. Your goal is to create an engaging shopping experience that not only attracts customers, but also turns them into loyal fans. That's it for this tutorial on setting up a Shopify store integrated with YouTube. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun creating a unique space for your brand on the web. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what your online store can achieve. Happy selling!